Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to continue previous chapter, that is the rational numbers. Yesterday we solved some problems in exercise 1.1. So today also we will solve some problems in exercise 1.1. So that is a ninth one. Ninth problem is the sum of two rational numbers is 8. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other. So the sum of two rational numbers is 8. So suppose you will take any two rational numbers a and b, then you do sum, that is a plus b, then you will get a 8. In this one number is minus 5 by 6, that is a minus 5 by 6. So you are find the other number. So you are find out the a. Okay, right. Okay, see here. Let one of the number, other number. Let the other number. Let the other number is equal to, we will take a. So from that one, the sum of two numbers. So one number is a, and another number, one of the number, that is the another number, that is the minus 5 by 6, is equal to, we will get how much? 8. So here a plus into minus is a minus 5 by 6 is equal to 8. Now so here minus 5 by 6 is a negative quantity. Negative quantity is we are transposing to other side. We will get a positive quantity, that is a is equal to minus 5 by 6, that is a positive, that is a 5 by 6 plus 8. There are 8 plus 5 by 6. So here denominator is 1. So LCM is a 6. So 1 is a multiple with the number, we will get a 6, that is a into 6. It is also multiple with 6. 1 6 is 6. 8 6 is 48. Plus LCM denominator same. So we should take the same as numerator, that is a 5. So 48 plus 5, that equal to how much? 53. That is equal to 53 by 6. Therefore required number, required other number required other number, that is equal to 53 by 6. Okay, right. Now next 11th problem. Is subtraction associative in rational number? Is subtraction associative in rational numbers? Explain with an example. Explain with an example. So what is the associative property under subtraction? That is a minus of b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. So already I told in a previous class. So I taken some examples, and also I explained a associative property under subtraction. So associative property is not satisfies on a rational number under subtraction. Okay na? Right. So you do you see this one in previous classes. I explained already this one. Okay. Next we'll go to 12th problem. So next to 12th one, verify that minus of minus x is equal to x. For number 1, x is equal to 2 by 15. Number 2, x is equal to minus 13 by 7. So what is verify? We have to verify this is minus of minus x. Minus of minus x is equal to x or not. So first one we will take. So that is x is equal to 2 by 15. So here minus of minus x is equal to, that is equal to minus of, so here minus x is a 2 by 15. So minus into minus is a plus, that equal to 2 by 15 is equal to x or not? Yes, or equal to the x. Next, second one, if x is equal to minus 13 by 7, that is a minus of minus x is equal to, so minus of minus x is a minus 13 by 7. So here minus into minus is a plus. Plus into minus is a minus. So that is the minus 13 by 7. That is equal to minus 13 by 7. This is equal to x or not? Yes, that is equal to x. Next, 13th problem. Next, 13th one. The set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. Any additive identity. The set of numbers. The set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. So which numbers not having the additive identity? They are the natural numbers or integers or whole numbers or rational numbers. So natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And whole numbers are w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3. So here what is the additive identity? That is the a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. So here 0 we will call as a additive identity. So here 0 in a natural number? No. So 0 is in a whole number? Yes. So now which do not have any additive identity, which numbers? They are the natural numbers. So natural numbers have not a additive identity because there is no 0. So natural numbers not having a 0. So therefore 0 does not have any reciprocal, that is 1 by 0 is not defined. Next, the reciprocal of negative rational number. The reciprocal of negative rational number is also a negative rational. Negative rational. The reciprocal of negative rational number is also a negative rational number. So suppose reciprocal of a by b is a b by a. And now reciprocal of minus 3 by 4 is a minus 4 by 3. Reciprocal of minus 9 by 7 is a minus 7 by 9. So here this is a negative rational number, this is also negative rational number. So their reciprocal is also negative rational number. Okay.